Welcome. It's Facts You Don't Know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more, well, and first make sure to subscribe and activate the notification bell so you don't miss anything.
He thought nobody was looking when the camera caught him in the act. All of us take the things we have for granted, from our fancy phones and televisions to cameras, and we keep running after more and better versions of our gadgets. In the process, we forget to stop and think of people who still don't have access to the internet, something a lot of us don't even think about as a luxury anymore. This little boy doing his homework at a shopping mall store will put things into perspective. A schoolboy with no computer was recently filmed at an electronics store using a tablet kept there to complete his homework. The scene was recorded at a shopping mall in Recife, Brazil, and the video originally shared to Imgur. The video went viral after it was reshared on Twitter, where it has been viewed 12.5 million times. In the video, the boy is seen with a school bag slung over his shoulder, standing inside an electronics store. He appears to be using a tablet kept on the Samsung display kiosk to research while taking notes. According to news website G1, the boy was identified as 10-year-old Guilherme Santiago. Guilherme had been using his cell phone to study before an employee of the store invited him in. A boy with no access to the internet was recently filmed doing his school homework in the story of a shopping mall, and the video is now going viral. A 10-year-old student was filmed using a tablet in a store in Recife, Brazil to do research, and people were touched to learn that the child hadn't been kicked out of the store, but instead was invited inside by a store employee. The boy was allowed to use the gadget and Wi-Fi to finish his assignment. The video, first shared on Imgur, went viral after it was shared on Twitter, where it got over 6 million views, claiming it was humanity at its best. The Twitter user who was among the first to share it explained why the boy was using the gadget. The student has been identified as Guilherme Santiago, a Class 5 student at the Abilio Gomes Municipal School. The youngest of 4 brothers, Guilherme lives in a low-income locality where residents and schools lack facilities like internet. At the institution, 278 students study, but there are only 12 tablets for students to use. In addition, the equipment only has internet when the school board releases not to misuse the use, Brazilian website G1 reported. Initially, the eager student was working on a mobile phone, but the Samsung store employee spotted him and asked him what he was doing. The student was then allowed to use the tablet in the store. "I didn't say anything. I was scared." The man, who's a store clerk, asked what I was doing. "It was a work about the southern region. It was worth 10 minutes and I took 10, the boy told G1. Santiago's family had no idea about how he had completed his assignments and only came to know after coming across the viral video. He likes to study. He commented that he has been to the mail 2 or 3 times. Ayla Martins, the boy's sister, said. Santiago's family had no idea about how he had completed his assignments and only came to know after coming across the viral video. He likes to study. He commented that he has been to the mall 2 or 3 times. Ayla Martins, the boy's sister, said. Everything is already right for his tablet, and we will also assist in the insurance of the device against accidents. Gustavo Duque, service manager of Nagem Group and responsible for shopping Recife's Samsung store, told the NN1 website. Many Brazilians also explain that the internet is quite expensive in the country and low-income families can't afford tablets or computers. They also pointed out that public schools lack the funds to provide students with internet. A Twitter user's thread explaining the situation in Brazil caught the attention of many. If children don't have internet access at home, then homework shouldn't require it, or students should be given time in school to work on the assignment. I taught in a Title I district where few children had internet access at home. Everything is already right for his tablet, and we will also assist in the insurance of the device against accidents. Gustavo Duque, service manager of Nagim Group and responsible for shopping Recife's Samsung store, told the NN1 website. They insisted the boy use a tablet to finish his assignment, and people are lauding the store management's generosity.
Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.